Hoover's $70 million sports complex includes a 155,000 square foot indoor event center with walking track, performance center, and an indoor food court. The facility can house 11 regulation-size basketball courts, 17 regulation-size volleyball courts, trade shows up to 300 booths, 2,400 seats for banquets, and 5,000 theater-style seats. The outdoor portion of the complex includes 5 NCAA regulation-size soccer, football, lacrosse fields, 5 NCAA regulation-size baseball fields, 10 softball fields, 16 tennis courts, walking track, playground, splash pad, and an event lawn.